Hello everyone, I am Asha Best. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are safe. My dear students, today I welcome you all in class 4 English Reader, Wordsworth English Reader. We are going to discuss today a poem. The title of the poem is Grandparents. Dear children, we all have grandparents, and what is so special about them? They are very special for all of us. We love spending time with them. We all love them, and they always help us in different ways. This poem is composed by an unknown author. That is why at the bottom of this poem, here you can see it is written anonymous, which means the poet of this poem is unknown. So, my dear students, let me recite the poem for you first of all. Few can bring the warmth we can find in their embrace. Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. They are a storehouse of stories, and they have time to wipe our tears. They make us laugh and smile and grow precious through the years. I believe that God sent us grandparents as our present from above to share the moments of our life as a symbol of God's love. So, in this first picture that you can see here in this slide, you can observe that how the grandparents feel happy and comfortable with children, and how lucky the children are, those who are having grandparents. Grandparents are like treat to us from God. They love us unconditionally. They tell us stories. They make us aware of different things. They develop good habits in us. They take us for walks. They play with us. They help us in many ways. They guide us in different times, especially in our difficult time. Now, in this poem, you can see some of the important words. I'll discuss these important words to you one by one. The first word is warmth. W-A-R-M-T-H, warmth, which means feeling of love. Embrace, E-M-B-R-A-C-E, embrace. That means hug. Next word is storehouse, S-T-O-R-E-H-O-U-S-E, storehouse, which means a place where we keep things to use when needed. Next is wipe, W-I-P-E, wipe. That means dry with a cloth or one's hand. Precious, P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S, precious. That means of great value. Next word is moments, M-O-M-E-N-T-S, moments. That means a short period of time. Symbol, S-Y-M-B-O-L, symbol, which means something that stands for another thing. Now, I am going to explain the poem. The first stanza is, few can bring the warmth we can find in their embrace. Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. We know that grandparents love us unconditionally. They have a feeling of love for all. We can find in their embrace, means we can find the warmth, their love, when they hug us, when they come near to us. Their love is always unconditional. You cannot compare grandparents' love with anybody else. Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. Like the times when they get old, they need the same kind of love, affection and care from all of us. Because during our difficult time, during our tough time, we always love to go to our grandparents for their advice, for their love, for their affection. And when they get old, it is our responsibility to take care of them because they need us. And this is just to bring a smile on their face because loneliness is very painful for them. If we want to make them happy, if we want to bring a smile on their face, we should always try to be with them. We should always try to help them in different ways. We should always try to take care of them. Here, this picture tells about the love and affection between grandparents and grandchildren. Their hug is something very special for the children. So, when they are in need, we should always be at their side. We should always love them back. Now, the second stanza in this poem is, they are a storehouse of stories. Means, they have a lot of stories from their real life experiences. They always keep a storehouse of stories for the grandchildren. Whenever we go to them, we ask them that we want to listen to a story. So they get ready anytime whenever you ask them. They always tell you the story. And they have time to wipe our tears. And they never shows that they are busy. Whenever we cry, whenever we are in need, they always come to us and they always ready to wipe our tears. They make us laugh and smile. We feel happy with our grandparents. Whenever we are with them, they always make an effort to make us laugh. They always bring us beautiful smile on our face and grow precious through the years. And the years that we have spent with them, they are very precious because the bond grows and grows stronger day by day. So the moments which we spend with them are very precious for us as well as for our grandparents. This picture tells us that how the grandparents, they wipe our tears, they hold our hands in the difficult times, they guide us, they help us. We always find them with us during our tough time. I believe that God sent us grandparents. Grandparents, as earlier also I said, that grandparents, they are like angels. The angels, those who are with us, who live with us, who protect us, who guide us, who help us. And these grandparents are given to us by Almighty, by God. That is a free gift of God. They are like treat, as are present from above. Like gift is given by someone to someone for which we don't pay anything. They are a gift of God to us to share the moments of our life as a symbol of God's love. Sometimes we feel alone. Sometimes we don't find anyone to share our thoughts with. That time, these angels come to us. They share our sorrow. They share our pain. They guide us. They help us in overcoming our difficult moments. So, the beautiful moments of our life we share with our grandparents, they are all very precious to us. So, we should always take care of them. We should always make an effort to bring smile on their face. We should always treat them special. So, this is all about the poem. Here, the picture tells us that grandparents are like angels who protect us, who keep us safe, who help us in becoming a good person. So, this is all about this poem. I hope you understood and liked the poem. I request you to read and recite the poem again and again so that you'll learn it. For today, you have to watch this video carefully. We'll soon meet with some more interesting videos from your book. Till then, take care and have a good day.